say, drive 2 meters forward, 1 meter to the left. And then the rover will drive, take a picture, send it back. We'll tell them if you did a good job or not, and then we'll repeat the process again.
So you built this thing. It's a big deal. It's going to go to the moon. It's hard to build a thing that can work on the moon, I'm sure. What are you worried about? What might not work?
Let's see. There's a lot of uncertainty, just like going to Mars. I think everyone's always nervous about landing and getting off safely. We saw that Russia had a lander that crashed this year. There's a Japanese startup that had a lander that crashed this year, and then you had the Indian lander that landed safely. So for this year,
400A866.
Didn't make it. So that's always a concern, even though I have lots and lots of confidence in our partners. They have developed an excellent system, really high reliability. It always comes to the back of your mind. And then after that, we're going to turn on the transistor. Will it even turn on? And then the next thing is, what does the surface look like in this area? Like, are we able to traverse it in a big boulder field? Where are we going to land? I think that's the other uncertainty, because